Hi everyone, welcome to Painting with Jess. Today I will be painting this ocean painting with clouds, starting with the sky with the darker blue near the top and the lighter near the middle. Going on to the water where I do kind of a turquoise underneath everything else. And the way I do water is actually I just kind of brush it on and I continue adding different colors of blue and turquoise until I have just what I'm looking for, what looks right to me. It's an easy process. As you can see, I'm just brushing on different colors in different areas of where the water will be. I have lots of fun with these ocean paintings because I love the colors of the blue and the turquoise. After the water, I'll be adding clouds in the sky. As you can see, it's a fairly easy process doing the water this way. I add a little bit of white to the water to kind of make it look a little wavy. You want different areas of the water to look lighter and different areas to look darker to have some difference. Now I'm going to start the clouds. I use kind of a light purple near the bottom of the clouds, and then I add the white mixed with purple above. And I'm doing the faraway clouds first, and then I'll do the closer up clouds after, kind of in front of the ones that I've done previous. And you want to make sure if you try this that you dry the paint. I use a hair dryer really quick. Dry the paint before you do the next round of clouds. It just helps it look better. I want the clouds at the bottom area to be darker than the top area. It just seems like when you do it that way, it's like the light is coming through the outer areas of the clouds, which looks kind of cool. As you can see, I'm just kind of layering the clouds one in front of the other. Added some white near the tops. Add a few little fluffy clouds around them. I needed to darken up the bottom area a little bit more, so I tried that. So now I'm just in the horizon area of the water. I'm just making it a little darker near the back to seem far away. And then the closer water, I'm doing a little bit more light turquoise. I hope you enjoy this painting, and if you like it and you want to see more, you can subscribe if you like. Thanks for watching, everyone.